Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. So this one, we're gonna do a rainbow rings pattern spiral, but in the cosmic design. Let's see what we get. So, for this one, we're going to do our popular rainbow rings dyeing pattern on a spiral, except we're going to do our cosmic colors. So, navy blue, scarlet, turquoise, and lemon yellow, or golden yellow. I can't remember which one. Lemon yellow.
Lemon, turquoise, scarlet, and new black.
New black, that's right. We're gonna try other new interesting dyeing patterns as well, but the rings is definitely a cool new one.
Do you want me to do lemon in the middle?
Yeah. Is that what you normally start with?
I want to start with black.
Oh. Then start with that, whatever you want to start with. I just don't think you should start with black because it's the beginning of the spiral, so I would start with the lemon.
It's
fine, babe.
Don't.
There you go, that's good.
Okay.
Now you can do the lemon.
It's all ruined anyway, I don't care anymore.
No, start with the lemon. There you go. Perfect.
I don't care. It's already fucked up now.
That looks great. Looks wonderful. That's exactly what I wanted. I just wanted like a drop in the middle. It was perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Cool. And then I just want to do the outside in new black, see what I'm saying? I think that'll look super awesome. I want all that black around the edges, it'll look awesome. How it like transitions into this weird bluish purple black color. It'll look really cool. So cool. Awesome. Flip it to the flop. Look at all the colors in there. That's so cool. Perfect. That looks so cool. So it's just lemon yellow, scarlet, turquoise, and new black. Lemon yellow, scarlet, turquoise, and new black. Looks quite amazing. It's gonna make a nice cosmic scape, hopefully. To the drying rack. Middle shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.